Hello everyone, we are discussing syllogism. Let's talk about this next problem. It says all trees are rich. So all trees are rich should be drawn like this, and this entire tree should be definite reason. Now no rich is poor. No rich is poor. Now you can see we do not have any direct information between tree and poor. We do not have any direct information between tree and poor. Statement 1 is between tree and rich, 2 is between rich and poor. So it might possible that unknowingly you will draw a doubt line. You will draw a doubt line between tree and poor. But dear student, in this case, this drawing of doubt line will not be valid. Why? Let me give you the reasoning. See, it is given to us that tree is a part of rich and no rich is poor. If no rich is poor, it means every part of rich should not be poor. Tree is also a part of rich, so that is why tree should not be poor. In this case, no direct information between tree and poor was given, but we can draw something indirectly between tree and poor, and that information is no tree can be poor. Hence, conclusion 2 is valid. No tree are poor should be a valid conclusion. Now, what about conclusion 1? Some tree are poor will become wrong automatically. So in this question, answer should be only conclusion 2 follows. I hope guys this is clear. Let's move on to the next question. It is given all rich are tree. Now see, all rich are tree. In the previous case, tree was inside a rich. In this case, rich is inside a tree. So entire rich is definite. In the previous case, tree was inside rich. In this case, rich is inside a tree. So difference, both of these questions are different from each other. So entire rich is definite, and the reason that is there outside the rich and inside the tree is indefinite. Now it is given no rich is poor. So no rich is poor. Now see, since a part of tree is indefinite, a part of tree is indefinite, so this indefinite part of tree can draw a doubt line with poor. In the previous case, entire tree was under rich. In the previous case, entire tree was under rich, and rich cannot be poor. Okay, entire tree was under rich, so tree should not be poor. But in this case, rich is inside tree, so I can say a part of tree is not poor. I can say some tree are not poor. From here I can say some tree are not poor. See, the tree which is overlapping in this region with rich are not poor. This is what I can say, but conclusion 1 is between tree and poor, conclusion 2 is between tree and poor, and in this case we have a reason lying inside a tree which is indefinite, so that indefinite reason can draw a doubt line with poor. Okay, so because no direct information between tree and poor was given, there is a doubt line between tree and poor. If you pay attention to these conclusions individually, some tree are poor, there is doubt line, that is why invalid. Between tree and poor we have doubt line, that is why invalid. Between tree and poor, we have doubt line, that is why invalid. So point number 3, we have proved both of these conclusion invalid individually. Now, point number 4, are these complementary conclusion? Yes. Some A are B, no A is B. This combination is the first complementary pair. So this question is justifying all the 4 conditions of complementary pair. Hence, the answer of this question should be either conclusion 1 or conclusion 2 follows. Because this question is following all the conditions of the complementary pair. Hence, answer should be either conclusion 1 or conclusion 2 follows. So this is it for the video. Thank you so much.